Hello and welcome. If you have found this video, you are probably trying to figure out how to lower your spare tire on your Ford Explorer. I'm going to show you how to do on a 2004 Ford Explorer. This will work for multiple years, so see if this will work for yours. We are directly behind the vehicle. The rear latch is open, and then you lift up this compartment, which is very small, and right here is where you have your spare tire. My spare tire is off, and as you can see, it is being held by this piece right here. So that's what needs to get lowered, and I will show you guys how to do that. Your Ford Explorer should have this leather bag, which contains a tool like this. What you do is place it down. You want to turn this right to lower it and left to raise it. So let me go ahead and lower it, and I will show you guys what that looks like from underneath. Here we go. This is what it looks like when it's completely lowered, and you want it to be kind of loose because in order to get the tire up, you'll have to put it in sideways and then straighten it out, and it'll pull it back up. Here's our spare tire underneath the vehicle. And we take this, I'm going to slide it in kind of sideways, and then once it's going to start getting pulled up, it will adjust on its own. So let's start tightening this back up. So I'll be turning it this way, and you guys can watch. Here we go. Nice and tight. That spare isn't going anywhere. So now we could take this out, close it up. Guys, thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in another video.